This time last year, nurses were fighting for our lives and their own as we all battled COVID-19. Hundreds of nurses lost their lives to coronavirus, and tonight, their fellow nurses are honoring their lives and their dedication.
Patrick Kane, Daisy, Dora Neela.
Heartbreaking. That was the word used to describe how it felt for nurses to see their friends and coworkers die from coronavirus. Sandra Falwell is a retired nurse who says she did what she could to provide support to her former coworkers still on the front line.
I would get friends texting me from work. I've been here 16 hours, which is not what we need to do or want to do, but they felt they could not leave their patients.
May 6th through May 12th is celebrated as Nurses Week. Nurses around the country, including in Chicago, Tampa, and Las Vegas, gathered at drive-ins, stayed in their cars, and remained socially distanced for the event. The vigil held in San Diego paid tribute to the 41 nurses in California and the more than 400 nurses nationwide who did not survive.
These nurses, they gave the ultimate sacrifice. They cared for their patient, and because of that, they are not here anymore, and they deserve so much more than they've been given over this last year. So much more recognition, so much more respect, so much more remembrance.
Some of the nurses also talked about the lack of proper PPE during the height of the pandemic. They say medical staff were left unprotected.
We were telling them that you do not send soldiers into battle without ammunition. If we had optimal PPEs a year ago, these nurses might have been alive.
Tayak also told me that they're now fighting for policy changes with the White House so that healthcare workers can have more protection in the event of another global pandemic.